Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Walmart Marketplace seller reports, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your Walmart Marketplace seller reports, start by logging into your Walmart Seller Center account. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports section located in the main menu. Within the Reports section, you will find various types of reports available for download. Select the specific report you want to back up, such as sales data, inventory reports, or performance metrics. After selecting the report, choose the desired date range for the data you want to back up. You may also have the option to filter data by specific categories or product lines. Once you have set your criteria, look for the download button or link in the interface. Click on this button to initiate the download process. The report will be generated in a CSV or Excel format, depending on the chosen settings. Ensure that your browser allows downloads so the file can save properly. Once the report is downloaded, locate the file in your device's download folder. For better organization, consider renaming the file to include the report type and date. Next, create a dedicated folder on your computer for all Walmart Marketplace backups. Move the downloaded report into this folder for easy access in the future. To further secure your data, consider backing up this folder to a cloud storage service. Upload the folder to a platform like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive for additional safety. This allows you to access your reports from anywhere and protects against data loss. Regularly repeat this process to ensure that you have up-to-date backups of your seller reports. By following these steps, you will maintain organized and secure records of your Walmart Marketplace performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.